Hi, let's unbox it. 3 box here. 1, 2, and 3. Let's open this one. Actually, it is an envelope. You see? Yeah, obvious. How cool is that? And see what's inside the envelope. Good. Stay on track. Yep. This is for a project named Time Machine Glove from MacGyver. I'll show you in a minute. Let's see inside. Yep, this is the collimator, and this is the length plus 50 millimeter reflector plus fixed bracket. And there is 2 of them to use with this LED from Chazan Industry. It's a 100-watt LED chip, color right, color temperature up to 6500K, 3 amperes at 34 volts peak. This is how to mount the set. And the length, 50 millimeter reflector plus collimator plus fixed bracket. See the angles. Yeah, now please see what this project will result in. MacGyver project. Do-it-yourself time machine glove. Yep, another box. Let's open it up. Yep. Motor Shield V2 and L298D. I killed this board in the first experiment, and now I bought others. I hope this time it will work out. First, Adafruit Motor Shield V2.3 and the Motor Shield L298D. Beautiful board for my study of drivers. See this link. That's fine. Next box. Let's get rid of these plastics. In this side and this here. And this one here. And finally open it up. This case holds the connectors. I'm going to work from now on. Let's see inside. Yeah, we have an assortment of 1 to 8 wires. .55 millimeter, same as breadboard. I think this excision will be very useful. This is similar to that one. Now the bag, this bag. Let's see inside. There are the, let's see. Yep. 10 microfarad 50 volts electrolytic capacitor. Oops, it's already came open. Easy Driver by Brian Schmaltz, an open source hardware stepper motor. And there is, yeah, stepper motor, Easy Driver. That's fine. Whenever you buy this driver, look to purchase 2 units of each. Each one driver a 4-wire stepper motor. See my post regarding this driver. I study it extensively and even contact Brian, the designer, who kindly answer all my questions. See my post in this link. Now the kit. Let's see this one. Open it up. Yeah. Chassis 2DD robot. 2 Hercules wheels. I do not know how you name it, but I like that name anyway. The panel. Yeah. And that's it. Hey, there is a manual and it's look quite complete, well illustrated with drawings. This is for my version 2 follower line robot. See in my upcoming video. And that's it. Let me know in the comment below what project do you want to see first, and I will definitely make another video on your suggestion. And that's it from me today. Thank you.